Hey everyone, so today we're going to go through how to use a Microsoft Teams app on Windows, and it can be used for a lot of collaboration and projects and groups and whatnot. So quickly, it's very simple to download. If you just look up Microsoft Teams download, click the second link. It's a very simple process. And so I've already gone and done that and downloaded it to my desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and you'll get to this screen. It's very simple. If you just sign in with your Duke ID, or rather your Duke email, it will take you to the NetID sign-in page after a second maybe. Yeah, so to the NetID sign-in page, and you can go ahead and just log in, do your verification and whatnot, and it'll log you straight into your Teams account after a moment, perhaps. Sweet. Okay, so we're here, and this is a team I'm part of, so it pops up right away. And if I open that up, you can see right on the right side are any posts that are going to be sent in this group um, and whatnot. That you can restrict settings there, but any posts that are in the group are going to show up their files, whatnot. So if you want to join or create a group, you can join with a code that's given to you, or you can create your own team. So if you're in a project, you can call this, let's just call it project team, and say members of the group, and you can make it private or public. And once again, within this kind of channel or group or team rather, um, you can share messages, files, whatever. It's just kind of like a closed space for collaboration. And of course, anyone in this Duke organization, uh, you're going to be able to add to your group pretty simply just by looking them up. And you can do a couple things here. You can, edit the name of your team, add members, leave the team, add channels within the team. But here, I'm just going to delete the project team because I don't need it, which is fairly straightforward. But here we go. So there's a chatting feature within Teams. So right now, I'm just chatting with this Zoom. You can add apps on, so you can use Zoom within Teams, which is pretty easy. But I just sent a test message, so you can just chat within here, so that which is very simple. And like I was saying, I added the Zoom app, so I could use Zoom within here. But uh, a new conversation I just made, and you can of course send this to anyone in the Duke organization. And here I'm clicking upload from my computer, so this is any local file. And so I want to go to documents, but I'm trying to find a local file, so I have this test document file set up right here. So if you just click on it, it's going to upload it right in there. And actually, once you do this, it's uploaded into Teams. So if you ever want to look back on this, even before you send it, if you ever want to look back, or rather send this file again, it will be there. So it'll pop up here in a minute. But as you can see, here's within OneDrive. So you have the option to go upload from the computer. Here you can upload from OneDrive. And these are all uploaded to the cloud. So if you click upload, or OneDrive rather, then those documents are going to pop up, and you can just click on them and more easily send them to whoever you want to send them to. And as you can, never mind. And so there are a couple other features we can look over pretty quickly. Calendar is going to show you anything you want to put in there. So some shifts, but here you can, just like in Google Calendar, you can add whatever you need, dates, times, and it's going to be there. You can call anyone within the Duke organization, pretty simple to use. You can even make a group if you want. And then once again here, so now we can see that this test document has popped up within our OneDrive files, which we can send out if we want to, more simply than before. And so that's just how you use a quick overview of Teams, which is really easy for collaboration and file exchange and whatnot.